Hey yo guys, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to do a camera zoom like the one Dayz has. So first you want to go to your third person blueprint editor and you want to right mouse button like that. Then we're going to want to branch with a variable we'll get that, and then we'll set I think it's Alt and yes, set the one off false to true and set the one off true to be false, and then we want a timeline. Add a timeline. So we want this one to go into play and this one to go in reverse. And then off update we want to set field of view first person camera, and then we want to open this up, create a track, float track, make the length this point, and then we want to add a key, add two keys, type this 0 and then 90, and then the second one we want this to be 0.4 and then 55. And then we can do that. I'll save. Graph. And that should be it for the first person camera zoom. So currently in third, first, like that. So third, first, camera zoom, there we go. If you wanted to zoom in a little bit longer, go here, click on the graph, and you're gonna want to change this. We can set it 40. There you go, that's how you make a first person camera zoom like the game Dayz. Thank you for watching, don't forget to like and subscribe.